In Flanders fields, the poppies blow. Between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky, the larks, still bravely singing, fly, scarce heard amid the guns below. We are the dead short days ago. We lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe. To you from failing hands we throw the torch. Be yours to hold it high. If ye break faith with us, who die, we shall not sleep, the poppies grow in Flanders fields. In memory's fields, where heroes rest, their sacrifice by all confessed, their deeds remind us, strong and tall, how unity can conquer all. The poppies red, a symbol grand of unity in every land. For in their memory, we unite in a world where darkness yields to light. So let us stand hand in hand across the globe, together we'll band. In memory's fields, we all enthrall the power of unity to stand tall.